we're in, guys.
Okay, guys.
Hi, guys. This is our third time.
Back again.
Going back to Honolulu. Yippee! Oh my gosh. Hulingi sila, guys. Super shy. So,
Nagbalik. Kita nag-back.
yay! Okay, guys. This is our fourth time. Yo! Going back to Honolulu. Then now we find. Lord, ayaw may tumba, Lord. Oh, yes!
No!
Yes po. Ala, ngit-ngit. Ala, awit po. Yung it's na uksa. So guys, ni Honong sa mi guys. Bye guys. Balik ako guys.
Wait, ate, mayonnaise.